is a botanical term used to describe the mature ovary of a flowering plant, typically containing seeds. Fruits are produced by angiosperms, which are the flowering plants. They are often sweet or sour in taste and are consumed as a natural, healthy snack. Fruits come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and flavors, and they are an important part of a balanced diet due to their rich nutritional content. Common examples of fruits. Apples, the quintessential fruit, are a crunchy and sweet delight enjoyed globally. These fruits boast numerous health benefits, containing fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support digestion and boost immunity. Oranges are a juicy and refreshing fruit loved worldwide. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, they promote immune health. Whether peeled and eaten fresh or juiced for a zesty beverage, oranges add a burst of flavor and vitality to your day. Bananas, nature's convenient snack, are a potassium-rich powerhouse. With a naturally sweet taste and creamy texture, they make a satisfying and nutritious treat. Portable and peelable, bananas are perfect for on-the-go energy or blended into smoothies. This versatile fruit is a go-to for a quick, healthy, and delicious bite. Strawberry juicy and vibrant, strawberries are delightful berries that captivate the palate with their sweet tart flavor. Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, these red gems promote health and add freshness to strawberries, which are nature's sweet and nutritious indulgence. Grapes, nature's bite-sized gems, offer a burst of sweetness and refreshment. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, these tiny fruits contribute to a healthy diet. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen for a cool treat, or turned into wine, grapes bring a delightful touch of natural sweetness to various culinary experiences. Fruits are not only delicious, but also provide essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and well-being. They are a key source of natural sugars, such as fructose, which gives them their characteristic sweet taste. Fruits play a crucial role in plant reproduction, as they contain seeds that can be dispersed by various means, including wind, animals, or water. This dispersal helps plants spread and establish themselves in different environments.